In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace rear sway bar end links on a Nissan Maxima. They are located behind the rear wheels. Let's get started. Now let's remove our rear wheel. I'll be using a 21mm socket to remove the 5 lug nuts. Now that our wheel's off, we can locate our rear sway bar end link right here. One on the control arm and one on the sway bar. On the back side there are two 16mm nuts. Go ahead and remove those. If you find the stud to be spinning, you could use an 18mm wrench and support it from behind. Now remove the second nut. Now remove the sway bar end link from the vehicle. And there it is. Now let's install our new sway bar end link. Slide it over. Now hammer on your 2 fasteners. Now I'm going to snug down my 2 15mm nuts. So my stud is spinning, so I'm going to support it using an 18mm wrench. Once they're snug, give them a quarter turn. Now let's reinstall our wheel. Now we're going to hammer on our 5 21mm lug nuts. Now we're going to snug these down in a crisscross pattern. Now we're going to torque these down to 83 foot-pounds in a crisscross pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.